Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your essential source for everything related to historical architecture and design. Today, we're diving into the world of Victorian-era design with a special focus on how to create a period-accurate Victorian entryway. The entryway is the first impression of any home, and during the Victorian era, it was a space where craftsmanship, style, and attention to detail came together to make a grand statement. Let's start with the centerpiece of any entryway, the front door. In a Victorian home, the front door was not just a functional element, but also a reflection of the homeowner's taste and social status. Typically made of solid wood, these doors were often elaborately paneled and featured decorative elements like stained glass. When it comes to hardware, look for intricately designed doorknobs and handles, often made of brass or bronze. The doorknob itself might be round, octagonal, or even porcelain, sometimes featuring hand-painted details. Victorian door knockers were also a statement piece, often large, with intricate designs ranging from animal motifs to classical figures. These were not just practical tools, but also served as a way to showcase wealth and style. No Victorian entryway would be complete without a doorbell or chime. Unlike the electric bells we use today, Victorian doorbells were often mechanical, requiring the visitor to pull a lever or twist a knob to produce a ringing sound inside the home. These doorbells were crafted from materials like brass and were often decorated with intricate patterns or even family crests. For an authentic touch, consider adding a replica of a Victorian mechanical doorbell or chime to your entryway. It's these small details that truly capture the essence of the period. Lighting played a crucial role in the Victorian entryway, both for practicality and ambience. Wall-mounted lanterns or pendant lights were commonly used, often made from brass with glass shades. These fixtures were designed to cast a warm, inviting glow, creating a welcoming atmosphere as guests approached the door. Gas lamps were common during the period, but today you can achieve a similar effect with electric lights that mimic the soft, flickering glow of gas flames. Look for fixtures with ornate detailing, such as etched glass or decorative metalwork, to stay true to the Victorian style. Victorian homes also paid attention to smaller details, like house numbers and mail slots. House numbers were often made of cast iron or brass, featuring elaborate fonts that matched the overall aesthetic of the home. These numbers were not only functional but also added a decorative element to the entryway. Mail slots, typically made of brass, were another important feature. These were usually positioned at waist height and often featured a flap to protect the mail from the elements. The design of the letter plate often complemented other door hardware, maintaining a cohesive look throughout the entryway. To complete your period-accurate Victorian entryway, don't forget the finishing touches. A doormat with a traditional design, perhaps featuring a geometric or floral pattern, adds a welcoming feel. If space allows, consider adding a few potted plants or a cast iron boot scraper, both of which were common in Victorian homes. Creating a period-accurate Victorian entryway is all about attention to detail and a love for craftsmanship. From the intricate door hardware to the ambient lighting and thoughtful finishing touches, each element works together to transport you back in time, celebrating the elegance and grandeur of the Victorian era. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide on creating a Victorian entryway, be sure to subscribe to Antique Hardware Supply for more insights into historical design and architecture. And check the description for links to all the products featured in today's video. See you next time.